Imagine someone making loads of money using ChatGPT, an AI developed by OpenAI, by tapping into its versatile capabilities. The potential for monetizing ChatGPT is vast and varied, providing numerous avenues for generating income. One effective method is by offering writing services. Many businesses and individuals require high-quality content for blogs, websites, social media, and marketing materials. By using ChatGPT to generate engaging and well-written content quickly, you can take on more clients and complete projects faster, significantly increasing your earning potential. Another lucrative way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating and selling digital products. Ebooks, online courses, and informational guides are in high demand. You can leverage ChatGPT to help you research and write these products efficiently. Once created, these digital products can be sold on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Udemy, or your own website, providing a source of passive income as they continue to sell over time. You can also use ChatGPT to offer tutoring and educational services. With its ability to generate detailed explanations and answer complex questions, ChatGPT can assist you in creating comprehensive study guides, homework help services, or even personalized tutoring sessions. By marketing these services to students and parents, you can build a steady client base and charge competitive rates for your educational expertise. For those with a knack for coding and development, ChatGPT can be used to create and sell software applications. By integrating Chat's natural language processing capabilities into apps, you can develop innovative solutions like chatbots, virtual assistants, or automated customer service tools. These applications can be sold to businesses looking to enhance their customer engagement and operational efficiency. Another method involves using ChatGPT for market research and analysis. Businesses often need detailed market reports and competitor analysis to inform their strategies. ChatGPT can help you quickly gather and synthesize information from various sources, enabling you to provide comprehensive and insightful reports. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are also excellent venues for monetizing ChatGPT. You can offer specialized services such as copywriting, technical writing, or script writing using ChatGPT to complete tasks efficiently. By showcasing your ability to deliver high-quality work quickly, you can attract more clients and charge higher rates for your services. ChatGPT can be used to create and sell custom content for businesses. Many companies need personalized content for their branding and marketing efforts, such as unique blog posts, product descriptions, or social media updates. By using ChatGPT to generate tailored content that aligns with a business's voice and objectives, you can provide valuable services that help businesses stand out in their respective markets.
Finally, affiliate marketing is a powerful way to leverage ChatGPT for income. By creating content that promotes affiliate products or services, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links. ChatGPT can assist in crafting compelling reviews, comparison articles, and promotional content that drives traffic and conversions. This method allows you to monetize your content creation skills while benefiting from the sales performance of the products you promote. Each of these methods provides a unique opportunity to capitalize on the capabilities of ChatGPT. By focusing on providing high-quality, efficient services and products, you can build a profitable business and tap into the growing demand for AI-driven solutions. Whether you choose to offer writing services, create digital products, or develop software applications, the key is to leverage ChatGPT's strengths to deliver exceptional value to your clients and customers. Share, subscribe, and like to get more videos like this.